do you guys think I look sad? I've got a lot of comments in the past like videos that like, hey Trav, you know, whatever you're going through, like I'm here for you. I'm like, wait, I'm sad? I didn't know I'm sad. So first thing, I guess what I want to say about sadness is that like it's okay to be sad. People get sad sometimes, and we're humans, and sadness is a part of the whole emotional spectrum. So if you're sad, there's nothing to be ashamed of being sad. But I did get a lot of questions like, am I depressed? Am I sad? And I don't think so. I don't think I'm depressed. There's no like traumas going on currently in my life, no drama. Things are in a good place, I think. I have some outlined goals and I'm working toward them, and that involves you, and that's what I'm making this video for. So I'm not sad, but this is funny. Like, these are all the comments. This is my YouTube kind of back end, but these are all the comments that have said that I look sad. But I got the most recent one from Andrew said, great to see you back making videos again. I see comments saying that you look sad, but I think that is perhaps because your previous videos had more of a lighthearted, fun element, like including outtakes and things, whereas your most recent videos seem to be coming from a more considered perspective. And I think that resonates with me a lot. I think that's a good way to think about it. I was thinking like maybe it's because there's a microphone and I feel like I'm a little more intimate with the microphone. Like maybe that's making like my voice like a little quieter and more like calmer. Maybe it's because I have glasses now and that's makes me look sad. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I'm not sad, but I do experience sadness like a normal human. Dev Tips was a show. Dev Tips was a show about making code work. And in order to make a show, you can't be like technically real. You have to be acting to a degree. And so like nobody wants to watch a tutorial where the dude is just like, guys, go do some code now, okay? Like, there are times when it's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm like, okay, dude, I just want to be sleeping right now, but I've made a commitment to make this video and let's get it done. And so like, pep up. Let's do it. Like there was certainly a lot of that on Dev Tips, and I think that this YouTube channel wants to be a little bit more based on like reality, or based on what I'm learning or thinking or feeling now. And yeah, so we'll talk more about that in the future. Actually, I came across this this timeline that I made a while ago. I often do this like when I'm trying to understand my journey, my personal kind of path. I will make graphs and charts. I think I made this on my 30th birthday. I made a interactive chart about like my overall happiness of my past 30 years, and I wrote a poem for each year. So that's fun. But like this kind of like theme of like me doing like retrospective exploration kind of thinking is a pretty big theme. Here's an example. This is from 2016 and kind of on, but what I did here is I just kind of mapped out what I was doing. Like this was YouTube, and this is like when I bought an Xbox, and that was like the decline of like my focus and energy, and just kind of like different things. Like, and I didn't have another creative project until March or April. Anyway, so this is interesting, and I was thinking I wanted to make a video for y'all about like what I've been doing in my hiatus, in the context of one of these kind of graphs or charts. And I haven't generated that graphic yet, but I think that would be interesting to do.
Gotta have dark. Gotta have opposites. Dark and light, light and dark, continually in painting. If you have light on light, you have nothing. If you have dark on dark, you basically have nothing. There we are. It's like in life. Got to have a little sadness once in a while so you know when the good times come. I'm waiting on the good times now.